Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a what's in my bag video. I have a my same purse that I had in the spring. I'm using it for spring and summer because I absolutely love it, and it looks like this. But I got a new wallet from my daughter for my birthday, and it's from Taylor, my oldest daughter, the one who doesn't know I have this channel, and she picked up this beautiful wallet for me. I absolutely love it. And so, you know, you get something new for your purse, you get a new purse, you kind of just want to clean it out and have it all fresh again. So my birthday's back in May, but I'm finally getting to do this because I did want to do it as a video. But I want to show you, this is the purse. Look how pretty that is. Look at this blue. I absolutely love that, and I thought that would complement the pink of my purse so well. And she even got my initials, you know, on there. She got it customized with my initials, and I just love it. And it opens. I'll show you the inside. So it opens up, and I haven't like taken any of this stuff out or anything. And lots of place for I don't have a lot of cards as far as like credit cards or anything, but we do get cards from different places. And I get gift cards for restaurants, and if I don't keep them with me, I'll never use them. So, and our health insurance, and you know, all those different things. So I love having lots of spots for cards. And then of course the clear window, which is where I'll put my driver's license. And then I'm gonna take this out and show you what all the features are here. So inside here, it has a little, like a place to put bills, dollar bills. And then over here, I love it, it has two, there's a slot there to put stuff, and then another one back there. So it has got like a lot of different places to hold things. I love that. And it snaps shut like that in the front. And then this zipper, which I didn't even take the foam off of, or the tag, as you can tell. The zipper opens up, and then, oh, there's more foam and stuff in there. And then all of my change, which I always end up accumulating a lot of change, drives my husband batty. But this is so nice, and look how the color goes with the purse. I just love that. Like, I don't like things to necessarily be matchy-matchy, but I do like it to complement and coordinate. This was the bag I got at Ross. It was less than $30, and it is, let me see if I forget the brand. It's not a super fancy brand. Oh, it's London Fog. So it has, what I like is it has the two handles that I can just slip over my arm real quick, but it also has a long strap that I can actually remove if I decide to, but I never do because I always like to be able to use a long strap if I want to or need to. The top of it zips up, zips closed like this, and that's always nice too. And then it has this little charm sort of, but it basically is just the London Fog logo charm. And then on this side, I always keep a sanitizer, and I love this sanitizer holder. I got that a couple years ago at Bath and Body Works, and I love it. It's just like a teeny bit fancy, but not really because it's just rubber. But it's got that little tassel on there. And what is my current scent? Sweet as strawberries. That's my current scent. I love a good scented hand sanitizer. So in my bag, I will start with like, it has, okay, I'll show you. It has like a bunch of compartments in there. And so I'll just start my wallet, my old wallet, which I like because it is my Steelers. I love my Steelers, but this wallet is not super functional. So, so it is perfect that she got me a new one. So I'm going to change all that out and not bore you with that part. But into what else is in my bag. Now, the last time I did a video like this, I had cleaned out my purse already, and I was just showing you what I was putting in to keep it all nice and neat and everything. This time, I haven't put in this purse, like, I haven't cleaned it out in a while. So we're gonna see together what was in here, what I don't remember, hopefully nothing too embarrassing. First, I have a receipt, I think for gas, can't really tell. And then I have a pack of gum that's actually unopened. I don't even know where I got this. Oh, then next I have in these, there's some little pockets. I have a lip, I think this was from Dollar Tree. Oh, so this is just Wet n Wild. It's like a pale rusty mauve color of lip gloss. And then I have this, which is to help me see, because as you can see, I got problems. It helps me read up close in case I don't have my reading glasses with me. This helps me, and it also lights up. Handy dandy. Then I have this lip color, which is like a lip stain, and I like it. It's dark. I like everything mauve, so I like the light mauves and pinks that are like on my nails, but I like the dark too. I just do the dark a little bit more in the fall. So that is a color that I wear a lot. But what's nice about it is it's like a stain, so it goes on shiny, but as it wears off, you think you don't have any more on your lips, and you look in the mirror and it's like, oh, I still got color. And then at that point, all I have to do is add a sheer gloss and I'm good to go. And Dramamine, I don't keep this with me all the time, but it was from the trip. Some of my kids get car sick sometimes. And eyeliner, I'm not sure why. I don't usually carry eyeliner with me. I'm trying to remember why I have this in there. And this is a cover up. It's CoverGirl Cover Stick. And then, oh, money. Yeah, baby. I don't remember having that in there. There was a return card from Target. I think there's some money on that. And then, what is this here? Oh, this is a JCPenney gift card, but I think I used it. I should probably just throw that out. Actually, I think I had like 30-some cents. It's kind of annoying, but I'll probably just waste that 30-some cents, but whatever. And then this, which isn't my normal, it's an e.l.f. It's an e.l.f. Just powder with sponge and then a mirror on top. It's not the one I regularly use, but I like, it's slim. I usually use a loose powder at home. It's harder to throw that in a purse, so I always get like a flat compact like this. And also it has the mirror, which is handy too. This, which is a Morphe, it's a little darker. I was loving this for a while, but not loving it. It's messy. Like when you put it on, you have to actually have a mirror and be very careful about where you put it. And it's harder to guide because it has one of those bulb tips to it, so it's hard to be precise about the edges of your lips with it, but I do like the color and it does have a nice shine to it. And I have a leftover pack of Airheads. That is from the movies yesterday. My kids and I went to see Toy Story 4, and if you've seen that, let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. Oh, movie stubs, those are from there too. Let me know if you enjoyed it. We loved it. Now my kids grew up in the whole Toy Story era, and so I was kind of bummed that my oldest couldn't be there. She had work, and we went to the matinee because it's just a lot less crowded and it's a lot cheaper. And it's hard to nail her down. You know, it's hard to get my oldest daughter to have time. She's just very busy. But it was a really good movie, and I recommend it even if you're older. My youngest is almost 13, and he loved that movie. We all had such a blast. I have tissues that are princess tissues. And then I have this big old bag, which has all of my little stuff in it. And so we'll see what's in here. I've got generic form of acetaminophen, contact lenses with a hairband on them. I think this was because we went to Pittsburgh and I like to have extra contacts with me. Then, ooh, I'm almost out of Tums. More tissues. Little tube of Advil. Oh, this is that Restore stuff that I got in my Fabfitfun. This is really good stuff. I mean, I've only tried it once. It was for a hangnail that I had that had been driving me nuts for like 2 or 3 days, really red and raw and swollen. I put it on my nail, like right on the area where it was inflamed, and by the next day, it didn't hurt at all. So I recommend this if you have the opportunity to get it. I have a hand cream from Bath & Body Works. And, oh, this, I like this. It's e.l.f. I don't know if it's upside down. It's e.l.f. This is the color I've been wearing a lot of lately. It kind of coordinates with my nails. And then this, which is just a hand cream. I use this more in the winter, so I'm not sure why I'm still carrying it around. This is a lip gloss that I got from Dollar Tree. It's just a clear gloss, so this is what's perfect to put over a stain, a lip stain after like the shine's worn off. Then I throw this on. I've got 2 pens, and yes, they are both Steelers. Here is another, this one was from Dollar Tree, and this is another lip gloss. See all the pinks and mauves that I get. And then this, what is this? Oh, I have another Dramamine. I did not know that. Well, now we're set for, this is why you should clean your purse out more often. So this will have us set. We're going to the beach in August, and we definitely have to have some travel meds for some of the kids. And then I have these scissors, which I got these at Dollar Tree, and I was so happy to find them. So they work like this. If I didn't show you, I don't remember. So they slide open, and then I'm trying to see which way. And they're scissors. How handy dandy. I really like these. And they're, you know, small, and they're being compact, and they're not sharp at all then when they're closed up. And then I got some of these little dental picker thingies. If you have any issues with your teeth when you go out to a restaurant, slide in the bathroom and take care of them with this. And then this, there's a little story behind this. This is a nail file that when we went to Pittsburgh and we went to the wedding, if you missed that vlog, it was my very first vlog. If you missed that vlog, I will link it above and below. And so it was the day of the wedding. We had checked out of the hotel, and I had this nail driving me bananas. Like, it was catching on everything, and it was also chipped. The nail polish had chipped, and I couldn't polish over it because of that nail driving me nuts, how it was catching on everything. So I didn't know the particular area we were in. Even though I grew up in Pittsburgh, I didn't know this particular town very well. So I was just like, where can I find just a nail file? I couldn't believe I didn't have one in my purse. So I eventually saw this nail salon, and I used to work doing nails actually many years ago. And so I know that sometimes if there's a salon and they have a nail tech in there, they will sell nail files by the register. So I went in, took my chances, and there was a sweet woman in there. I assume she was the owner of the shop, and she was working on this little old lady's hair, and they were really sweet, really nice people. And I asked her about the nail files, and she said, I'm so sorry, I don't sell them, and the only ones I have here are used, and I'm really sorry, I can't give you a used nail file. And I was like, it's okay, I understand, no worries, but thanks anyway. And so I went back up to my car, and I went into my van. I went to get in the van, and I see her coming out the door, and she's like waving at me. So I went across the parking lot to her, and she gave me this, and she said that it was hers, her own personal nail file. It comes in this little plastic case, and that she said she hardly ever used it, and that I could just have it. And she said she keeps it in her purse but never needs it. So she said I could just keep it. So I was so touched by that. It was so sweet. And so I went back in my car, I said thank you, whatever. And then I went back inside to try to offer some money for it, and she just wouldn't take it. She just said, have a great time at the wedding and stuff. Like, she was just so nice. So you know, it's one of those things where I know there's nice people everywhere, but it kind of makes you miss your hometown. Sorry, my glasses are jacked. It makes you kind of miss the area you're from when you come across really sweet people like that. Anyway, I think it's gonna rain here. It's getting, the light, I don't know if you notice, it's getting darker and darker, and it is the middle of the afternoon. So I'm gonna hurry up and get through this. I have a tiny little, there was tissues in this, but it's a little Nemo case. Love Nemo. Headphones, and I only have my headphones with me because I went to the orthodontist today, for my daughter, and in the waiting room I always watch your videos. And see, another random receipt. Don't even know what for, but now I feel like there's a time crunch because it looks like it's gonna storm. Trident white, some gum, another, oh, that's my insurance card, huh? That should probably be in my van. And then my rosary. I always keep a rosary with me. And then in the center pocket, I'll show you. So I've already gone through this top section here, and then down in there, and then I went through these two little pockets. Oh wait, there's something down in there. And then down in here, this is my eyeglass case for these up here. I keep reading glasses with me all the time. And then the last section in the middle has this, which is a really cute little note card. Not note card, it's like a little notebook. Adorable. And then it has this pen, which, I'm trying to think how it works. I know there's like a trick to it. Oh, I know. You take this thing up here, and you pull it out, and then you have the pen. So this, it just, you know, I always like to have like a notebook, something with me like that. Yeah, so I think that's it. So that is the end of what is in my bag. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry it got dark by the end, but yeah, I hope you're having nice weather wherever you are, and I hope you are enjoying your day and your summer, and I will see you in my next video. But don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and then I will link above the video for my 500 subscriber giveaway. So if you are interested in winning a $40 Amazon gift card, then make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell and go to that other video so you can be officially entered to win. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.